How to sync audio with video in Premiere Pro CC tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Drag your audio and video piece onto the timeline. The next step is to highlight both the video and the audio piece and right-click and click the option which is above the option Merge Clips, which says Synchronize. In this case, you can synchronize the clip at the start, the clip at the end, or you can synchronize the audio track. You choose and click OK. In this case, it's a little bit quiet, so let me make the audio piece louder. And now your video and audio has been synced. If you are getting an error, the most common problem is you have to check this or unclick the video and the audio. So uncheck them or check them, you choose.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.